So here goes our next question. Ahmed has a recurring deposit account in a bank. Okay, so he deposits rupees 2500 per month. So the amount deposited is known as the monthly installment. For 2 years, that is the time. If he gets this much amount at the time of maturity, which means the maturity value is being given in the question. Clear? Now, what we are supposed to find the interest paid by the bank, the rate of interest. Clear? Two things we have been asked. Okay, so first, let's write it as solution. What is the solution for this question? First, we'll write what is given. The given thing is first of all, it is monthly installment is given, right? So monthly installment, and it is P. We do denote the monthly installment as P, right? So it is 2500. Now comes the time. Time is N and it is 2 years. Then again it is in years. So we'll have to convert it into months, and that is 2 into 12 months is equals to 24 months. Clear? Now let's see what more is given in the question. It's given the maturity value. The maturity value is MV, right? And it is rupees 66250. Clear? Now let's proceed further. So here we have to find again what we have to find. We have to find, it is directly given. We have to find the interest, and so this we have to find, and we have to find the rate, right, in bit 2. So what formula we would be applying in this question? The formula we would be using, first it would be of this one, interest formula. Interest formula is R is equals to P into N plus 1 into R. So P into N plus 1 into R by 2 into 12 into 100, right? So now I'll just apply it. P is how much? P is 2500. N is how much? N is 24, and it is 24 plus 1, okay, into R is how much? R we don't know, right? So we'll just write it, leave it just as R only, okay. 2 into 12 into 100. So this, okay, now it is 2500 into 24 and into 24 plus 1, which means 25 into R by 2 into 12 into 100, okay. So we could also cancel out the numbers over here. As you can see, these 2 zeros would get cancelled, and 12 ones are 12 twos are, and 2 ones are 2 ones are. Clear? Now we are left with 25 into 25 in the numerator portion. 25 into 25 into R, and definitely we are left with only 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. So 25 into 25, you must be knowing, into 625, but let's do it again over here. So 25 into 25, 5 5s are 25, 2 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5, okay. So we'll add it, right? Then it would be 5, it would be 2, and 1 plus 5 is 6. It is 625 R. Done. Now let's see that here in the question the maturity value was given and it was 66250. So now we would apply the formula for maturity value. Okay, so what is the formula for maturity value? Maturity value, we denote maturity value by letter, yes, it is MV, is equals to, formula is P into N plus I. P into N. So what is the value of P? P is how much? P is 2500 into N. N is how much? N is 24. Plus I is how much? I is 625R. What is the value of maturity? The maturity value is 66250. Okay. So here, as you can see, we have to multiply 25 into 24, and in the final answer we'll add the 2 zeros. Okay, so what is 25 into 24? You know, if it is 25 into 25 is 625, so 25 into 24, just one number less, right? It would be it would be 25 less, it would be 600. So again, if you want, you can try, but just you should be very much sure about the answer before you write. If you're not very sure, just go for multiplication. Okay, 20 to carry 8, 10, 2 5s are 10, 1 carry and 5. Okay, 0 0 6. So look, we have got 600 and 00 plus 625R, and here what it is, 66250. Just transfer it over here, it would be 66250. It is 66250 minus 6. How many zeros are there? 4. So 1 2 3 4. Okay, is equals to 625R. Okay, so when we'll just do that, let's just do it somewhere over here. Okay, it is 66250, right? 66250 minus 6 with 4 zeros. 6 with 4 zeros. It would be 0, 5, 2 and 6. So it is 6250 is equals to 625R. So in the previous sheet we have got 6250 is equals to so here we'll have to find the value of R, right? So we'll just leave R over here. Here the number is getting multiplied. Okay, if the number and variables are together, like here it is 625R, which means these two numbers are getting multiplied. So in order to just bring this number over here, you know, if over here it's getting multiplied, so when it will come over here, it would get divided, and this is R. Okay, so we can cancel it out. 625 ones are 625 ones are, and this is 0. Okay, so it would be, what is the answer we have got? Here we have found the R value, right? That R is what we have got, R is equals to 10%. Okay, so always use the, you know, the things which we're supposed, like in rupees case, you know, like monthly installment or interest or maturity value. Whenever we're finding, we have to just use rupees in that case, right? So in rate we have to use percent, in time we have to use years or months, and in so in time we could use months or year, but in recurring deposit, as you know, we have to use months only. Okay, so now just let's go back to the question. See, we were supposed to find the rate of interest and as well as the interest paid by the bank, and as you know, we have already found the interest over here. Let's see, what was the interest? Interest was 625R, wasn't it? I is equals to 625R. So what we would do over here, we'll just, you know, that time we went knowing the value of R, so we just left it like that. Now we know it, so 625R, right? So 625R means 625 into R, which means into 10 is 6250, and that would be rupees. Clear? So let's write the final answer. We have found both the values which we were given to find. we were asked to find the value of, in the first bit, the interest, and we know the interest is equals to, that we have denoted it by I, is equals to rupees 6250. And what is the rate we have got? Rate is 10% per annum. You can, per annum is it? Okay, so that's it. Thank you.